Here we have our friend Rox. I've lost my voice, and she's drinking wine.
I'm drinking wine for the first time ever.
But what a lie! First time ever in the last hour. But you know what? We're gonna take Rox and let her try out Asturian cider. Are you excited?
I'm excited. I heard great things.
Yes.
I'm having the
Tapas.
Here, what's the place we're in? What's the name of the place we're in right now?
Come on.
I can get my face around this whole thing.
Are you enjoying Asturias?
I am.
Yes.
So far, we've just ordered uno más.
Uno más.
Uno más.
It's rainy outside. What do you think, Thomas?
I think that we have to try the cider, no? First, I don't know.
Are you a big fan of cider?
No, but I'm here. I'm here for it.
Okay.
I'm here for it always.
What do you think?
I think
When in Oviedo, you must do as the Oviedians do.
So now our friend, she's gonna try typical cider from Asturias.
so. Ross, what do you think about this technique?
Well, I think it was very flamboyant,
Yes.
spectacular. I was very impressed by the technique. And now what is that? I have to just shoot it?
Yeah.
Yeah, now
Just like gonna
yeah,
shoot.
one shot. Yeah,
I'm not ready.
when you're ready. 1, 2, 3, go!
Yeah.
Yes. So, what is your opinion about cider?
Because it's not as sweet as cider that I've had before. It's
Yes.
got more of a peppery after finish.
This is
Different.
called natural Asturian cider. So, what is your opinion?
It's very different. It's-
Rating from 1 to 10.
Okay, so a regular cider I would rate a 5, 6 because it's very sweet.
Yes.
This I would rate more like an 8
Wow.
because I'm not a cider lover, but I like this a lot more.
Very good, very good.
I do.
Yes.
Yeah, better flavor. It's more savory.
Another thing that you need to know is that you can't pour your cider, so you need to wait for the waiter.
They have to come back and dump.
Yeah, if
More
you
from
if
on
you
high.
if you do it yourself, it's like bad
Yeah,
education.
I'm not very tall, so I have to stand on a chair, I think, to really execute. Like if I wanted to work in a place like this, I'd have to get up on a chair and dump cider from way
Yeah.
up high. She's got a very long arm.
I think
Yeah.
you need to learn how to do it.
Okay.
I will show you in another moment.
Okay, so when we get home tonight,
Yeah, exactly.
there'll be cider in your avocado plant.
Yeah.
Avocado tree.
Yay.
Hey,
Cider is dangerous, okay?
cider is dangerous.
Yeah, very dangerous.
I guess you really.
And also, if you have headache the next day because of this, you will feel very, very bad.
So when you're driving me around tomorrow, and I'm just hanging my head out the window, vomiting on this side of your car.
No.
You have only yourselves to blame.
Is it the best thing you've tasted in your life?
No, absolutely isn't. But it's good, and it's better than other ciders I've had because other ciders have been very sweet, and this one has a more peppery finish. Like it's more savory and finish, which I like.
What do you think, Thomas?
I think that she is right.
And she says that if she's gonna if she's gonna work on a cottage, it's gonna have lots of bottles like these. You're gonna have to drink a lot of bottles like these to be able to have a cottage like
Do
that.
you think I could just string up boxes?
Yeah.
Boxes of wine plates. Yeah, I don't know, but I feel like I'm now a cider aficionado.
Okay, Rox. It's time to try the chipirones.
Wait, let me start. I haven't had one yet. Let me see how I like it.
Okay.
Very good.
It's good, no?
Mm-hmm.
Actually, they're really good.
It's just so much. There's so much bread.
It's not bread. It's not bread.
It's like a McDonald's burger with like.
It's not a McDonald's
Big Mac.
burger. So, your opinion?
It's very tasty.
It's very tasty, yes.
It's delicious, but I can't eat any more food.
Poor Ross, he can eat more.
Yeah.
Okay. So Rox just tried Cider from Asturias. Now we're gonna take her somewhere more calm, right?
Yeah, let's go to another place.
What's the other place?
What? But wait, there's more?
Yeah.
We will find out.
We're gonna stuff you up more, Rox. Portions here are really big, by the way. I don't know if you realized that by now.
That was like a pizza that nobody melted the cheese on, but it was still delicious.
There's more.
That's what that was.
Find out.
And I already have a whole one.
Are you ready for the next place?
I feel like the next place is a wine place.
Yeah, you can order wine.
There's a whole wine street.
Exactly.
Is it ready for me?
Yeah.
Am I ready
is-
for it, or is it ready for me? We don't know.
That is the attitude, yeah. Let's discover it.
Okay.
So
anybody
we
care?
are here with Rose in La.
I lost my.
What?
Okay, so I'm at a bar called Help Me, because I get the name wrong every time. La 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 la.
La 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 la.
La 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 la. How many la la's are we for the Lola?
As much as you can.
La 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 Lola. I don't know whose that is.
It's for me.
What is that?
This is for me.
Okay.
Most
Okay,
of.
because I didn't order that.
And this is for you.
This is for me, okay.
Yeah, Rioja.
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 No, I'm having the best time in Spain.
Oh.
And Oviedo has not disappointed in any sense. Like we've had great food, great wine, great drinks, other drinks, not just wine. The whole cider situation. My God, that was hours ago. But no, it's just been such a good time, and I'm so
Yeah.
appreciative.
And we just started, so
And we've just started.
exactly.
We've just started.
Yes. So here we are visiting the city of Cudillero with
Cudillero,
Rox.
see?
So what do you think about this city in Asturias?
I think it's lovely. I think
It's lovely.
It's raining. It's wet.
Yeah. It's raining everywhere. It looks.
I said that the rain in Spain falls mainly on Roxanne.
Yeah.
That's what rain in Spain.
So what do you think about the village?
It's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous.
And now we're going to have some lunch because we are super hungry. Yeah. And Fahad can talk. Let's see what are we going to eat. So here we have the food. This is very typical, pastel de cabracho and rocks. poor rocks.
I can't put anything in my mouth because it'd be on
Yes.
camera.
Well, she's enjoying the food.
Very good.
Yeah,
Yeah, it does taste very much like tuna.
nice. And you? So, this is Cachopo, and Ross is discovering for the first time,
Yes.
and she is trying to cut it.
I'm trying to get a piece that has something in it.
Yeah, it has beef,
Beef.
and inside Spanish ham and cheese. But it's very tasty. And it's fried. And as you see, it's super big. It's like a very big meal. It's good? So now we finished the food. So So, how do you feel, Rox?
Full.
Full.
You like Asturian food?
I love it. It's very good. But a lot of fried food. So I'm looking forward to trying the soup. It's not fried stuff. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, the fabada.
Tomorrow we will go to a place that is very good, and also the food is not fried. It's
cool.
like very good one, very good quality. You will try
Very
it.
nice. Yes, I will try.
Yeah.
It's perfect weather too for something like fabada.
Yes, it's perfect weather for fabada. Yeah.
Very, very good.
So the weather is crazy and the sea is completely out of control. You will see now the waves.
She's angry today.
The sea is very angry, no? But this is nice. It's something beautiful to see. Look, the waves. Oh my god.
Are you enjoying?
I'm enjoying a lot. And the food was so nice.
And the Canadian tourists?
The Canadian tourist is from the East Coast. This is the beauty that I'm used to. The angry seas.
The angry seas.
Almost got swept in.
Very nice. Wow, it's an amazing and a beautiful day for swimming. Let's go, Rox. You're from Canada.
I'm ready.
Oh, I got paid today, yes.
I did too. Yeah, finally.
I got paid yesterday. So here we are, the last day with Rox, and today we are also with some friends, with Pablo and with Bea. And we are in Taverna Narciso trying the last meal.
Oh my god, we're gonna die last meal.
Last meal.
My last Spanish meal.
Last Spanish meal for
Off
Rox.
to Portugal next.
Yes, then Portugal. So we are eating nice pote. Opinion Rox.
It's so good. It's
So good.
I
Yeah.
need this in my life. I do.
Yeah. ¿Y a vosotros?
No lo he probado todavía.
¿No? Bueno, pues al ataque. So now we are with the second round. Rox.
Still here.
Kill you.
Still here, still eating. So much pork.
It's,
So good.
yes.
I'm not eating pork.
¿Y a vosotros?
Amazing. Está buenísimo.
Está buenísimo. Está riquísima. Finally we finished food and in this lovely restaurant. How was your experience, Rox?
So a Canadian in Asturias.
A Canadian in Asturias,
Canadian
yes.
in Asturias.
It's going to be the title of the video.
I think it should be of this section of videos. Like there's several. There's a running. It's been beautiful. Like the food is amazing. And what I was saying earlier is like comfort food. It's a very familiar flavors and just so warm and welcoming. Like the food makes you feel at home, which is really, really nice.
So that is something that we also like
This is
because
right
you
in
enjoy
my
it.
face.
No. So yeah, so we are very happy. We are very happy for you to enjoy all the things that we have shared with you.
I have enjoyed everything, and I look forward to coming back soon.
Yes.
And doing more. It's been a wonderful. Like, if you have the opportunity
Yeah, we
to
will love
visit
to
Thomas
go.
and Fahad, you
Yes.
should come. You should.
Yeah,
You can stay with them, and they will take you places.
Yes. So thank you, Rox. Thank you so much. And you? And you?
Your time on TV.
I still don't have my voice.
Bueno,
No.
y gracias a Bea y a Pablo también.
Gracias a vosotros.